everyone, it's Presley at ActOutGames.com here, and today we are toy hunting for the perfect robotic RC car or plane or whatever for my little brother. He's gotten really into like trucks and cars and stuff, so we wanted to get him his first RC car. But they have lots of RC stuff here, so we might get him something other than an RC car, maybe an RC plane.
Hey Cooper, what do you got? Hey Cooper, show me what you got.
I have this thing where him walk. And it traps himself and do stuff. Yeah, how this one work?
This one doesn't have a, you just play with this one with your hand.
How this one work?
This one has a remote control.
How this one work?
This one has a remote control too.
And how this one work?
That's an RC helicopter.
How this one do?
This one drops that one and it goes kaboom.
How this car work?
I don't know. I think it has an. I think it's an RC.
Yeah, you could that. This like on the iPad.
Sound the Octo alert.
You've got that on the iPad?
He watches a TV show called The Octonauts, and that's a toy for it.
Ready for action, Captain.
Okay, go ahead.
Isn't that cool, Cooper?
Yeah.
You can move it too.
Batman Transformer?
You can move it too, I think. There's buttons that make it move.
A green one.
The green one?
Yeah.
So this is the RC car we are going to buy my little brother, and it is a green little monster truck, and on the back it shows pictures of it working on lots of different surfaces. So Cooper, are you ready for your first RC car?
Yeah.
I got the sweet banana costume. I'm a banana. I'm a banana.
When you pull the trigger, it goes forward. If you push the trigger away, it comes back. Forward, forward, backwards, forward, backwards. Can you try both?
Yeah.
Go forwards and then stop. Just a little bit. Go forwards. Wait.
Yay, Cooper!
Yay, Cooper! Come back. Oh. Oh no! I gotta see what the problem is. What's the problem, Cooper? I know what the problem is. What? A block under it.
It's the next morning, and now we are outside, and it's time to knock down some stuff and do some climbing with our new truck.
Why?
You ready? We're going to show Appa. Put your arms by your side. There you go. You ready?
It is get better.
Appa, want to turn?
I'm scared. Cooper, does it hurt? I'm ticklish. I kind of tickle a little.
Hello everybody, see what my car does. I can do tricks.
Go, Cooper, go. So this was our toy hunt for the perfect RC car for my little brother. Thank you for watching, and I will see you tomorrow.